Hello, it is Vanna from Cheap Nails. Having you stay frugal with your next manicure. And in this video, we're going to be learning about nail polish remover. Yep, it's kind of confusing when you go to the store and you're like, why is there like 4 different nail polish removers? Which one does I need? Which one do I use to clean up around my nails? Which one cleans my stamping blades? Which one takes off gel polish? Which one takes off my normal nail polish? I will be answering all those questions in this video. So let's get started. And I know what you're thinking, Vanna, we can't get started. Where the heck are you? I know, I've drastically changed my setup and everything because I got this brand new fold-out desk. Voice crack. So I've been completely remodeling my kind of filming setup. So yeah, but I do have some old videos filmed with my old setup. So if you see my old setup, you know that I batched film those. But you can tell none of this is it's not ready yet because I don't have my Mary picture up. So this is kind of the beta version of my filming setup because I'm just changing everything around. If you want me to make a desk tour video, just let me know down in the comment section down below. But now, let's get back to talking about that nail polish remover. First thing to know about nail polish remover is you need one that is 100% pure acetone. The reason why you're going to need nail polish remover that's 100% acetone is that this is the nail polish remover that you will use to clean up around your nails. I know, you're watching all those videos and they take that little brush and they take nail polish remover and then they clean around their videos. Around their videos. Oh, they clean up around their nails. Yes, this is what they use. They use 100% acetone to clean up around their nails when they get nail polish on their skin or something. And also 100% acetone nail polish remover is what you use to clean your stampy bites. Forgot the name for stampy bites there for a second. Also, you're going to need 100% acetone to take off gel polish, dip powder, acrylics. So yes, 100% acetone nail polish remover comes in handy. So I definitely recommend you picking some up. It usually has a black top. I don't know why, but every version of nail polish remover that's 100% acetone that I've bought has a black top for some reason. So odds are it's the one with the black top. Even though this nail polish remover that is 100% acetone is good for those things that I just previously stated, it is not good for taking off your nail polish. It's way too harsh. You don't need this much power to take off just plain nail polish. So I never use this actually to take off my nail polish because it's just too harsh. We're going to save it for cleaning up around your nails, cleaning your stamping plates, taking off your gel, taking off your acrylics, and maybe even removing that tough glitter. So we're leaving that for that. But I highly recommend you pick some up. And now we move on to all the other nail polish removers that aren't 100% acetone. There's a lot of them. Well, why don't we start out with the strengthening nail polish remover that I got from Target. And this is for natural nails, and it's enriched with vitamin E to nourish and strengthen your nails. This is a nice nail polish remover to use to take off just normal nail polish. It's not to be mistaken with 100% acetone nail polish remover, because even though acetone is the first ingredient in this nail polish remover, it's just not powerful enough to remove your gel and do what 100% acetone does. But it does a good job just removing normal nail polish. I've almost used the whole bottle of this. And the only con that I have with it is it kind of dries out my nail plate a little bit, which is to be expected with nail polish remover because they are, kind of drying to your nails. But it works good to remove your nail polish remover, and it's only $1 at Target. I mean, you can't beat that price. It is now the part of the video where I share with you a helpful fact, which is after you use your nail polish remover, to rinse your fingers and your hands. Because there's nothing worse than taking off your nail polish and you got it on your skin and stuff, and you forget it's there and you don't wash your hands. You get some dental floss, and then you go to dental floss your teeth and you're like, oh, I taste nail polish remover. There's nothing worse than the taste of nail polish remover. And let's say you go to eat something, you go to eat a Cheeto. Oh, I taste nail polish remover because it's on my fingertips or it's on my hands. Helpful fact of the day, rinse your hands. I don't mean just scrub them. I just mean just rinse off the nail polish remover off your hands when you're done using it. Because you do not want to in some way, get that in your mouth. It's horrible. So that is the helpful fact of this video. I just want to let you guys know that every video from now on, I'm going to try my best to share a helpful fact in every one of them, so I can make my videos as helpful as possible. And also with adding the helpful fact in my videos, a segment called Tell Me More About You. It's where you comment down in the comment section down below something about yourself. And also in addition to that, I will be adding a fun fact about myself too. Alright, back to the nail polish remover. Moving on to the Cutex Care. Nail polish remover with strengthening shield. Leaves nails looking healthy. I bought this nail polish remover on Amazon for $2. It nicely removes just normal nail polish. The first ingredient in this nail polish remover is acetone, but it is not 100% acetone nail polish remover. And I do quite like it. I would say that it is kind of like this one, and it dries out your nail plate a little bit. But I guess that's pretty common with nail polish remover because it's removing the nail polish, you know. Plus, it's only $2. Still. Moving on to the Equate. Moving on to the next nail polish remover, which is the Equate Non-Acetone nail polish remover with vitamin E. And it's in this like pink bottle with a black top. And I got this from Walmart for like $2. I do not really care for this nail polish remover in particular because it is non-acetone, which means it doesn't have any acetone in it, so it doesn't really remove nail polish that good. There probably is a need for non-acetone nail polish removers, but for me, I just don't like them because they just don't remove my nail polish. And this definitely absolutely can't do the job of pure acetone and what 100% acetone can do, and it can't really remove nail polish because it's non-acetone, and you really do need acetone to remove your nail polish. But I'm guessing this is made for a reason, but I just haven't found the reason, and it just doesn't work for me. So I would not recommend buying this if you just want to remove your nail polish, because it's not acetone, and it just takes a very long time, and you're going to be sitting there and just you have a cotton ball, you have this on the cotton ball, you're going to be sitting there forever. So I definitely don't really suggest you buying this nail polish remover just because it doesn't have any acetone in it, and it's just going to take forever to remove just your normal nail polish. So, yes. Moving on to the next nail polish remover, which is the Cutex Nourishing Nail Polish Remover, which is green with a black top. I really like this nail polish remover. I bought it for $3.99 at Target.com. I would say out of all the nail polish removers that I've previously talked about, this one is really good because it actually is very nourishing to your nails. It only dries your nail plate just maybe a little bit, but like not really, and it works really good. It removes your nail polish like that. Now, obviously, the first ingredient in here is acetone, but it is not 100% acetone, so I would not do a 100% acetone job with this because this ain't 100% acetone, but it works really well in removing your nail polish. It is time for the TMAY, which means tell me a fun fact about yourself down in the comment section down below. It could be anything. Tell me about your favorite food, what you did today. Do you like mini M&Ms or maybe large M&Ms? Do you like M&Ms at all? I don't know. Let me know down in the comment section down below. Alright, back to the video. We're getting back to that nail polish remover. We keep skipping around, but let's get back to it, huh? Alright, moving on to the very last nail polish remover I will be talking about in this video, which is the Equate Nourishing Nail Polish Remover with Vitamin E. If you are a regular viewer of this channel, you will know that I love the Equate Nourishing Nail Polish Remover that is blue with the black top because it does a great job in removing your nail polish. The first ingredient in here is acetone, but it's not 100% acetone, which is good because you don't want 100% acetone if you're just removing things like nail polish. Which is good because you do not want 100% acetone. And this nail polish remover is very nourishing to your nails. My nail plate is barely dry when I use this nail polish remover. Which is crazy because this is just the off-brand of this one. But I feel like the off-brand that's cheaper than this one because this one's $3.99 and this one's only $1.99. And I just kind of feel like the off-brand is better because this one is still a little bit drying to my nails. But this one, it barely dries out your nail plate after you remove your nail polish. It is just great. It is still my favorite nail polish remover to remove normal nail polish. It just does a great job, and the price can't beat the price. It's $1.99. That is all the nail polish removers that I will be talking about to you in this video. Now, which ones do I recommend? I definitely recommend 100% to get a pure acetone nail polish remover, because this is going to help you in cleaning up around your nails and just cleaning up your stamping plates, taking off gel polish, and it just is a great thing to own and have, because if you're doing nails, nail art, you're going to need it. Now, I got this nail polish remover that's 100% acetone at Dollar Tree, but I definitely suggest just picking up any nail polish remover that is 100% acetone, because that's going to help you on your nail manicure making journey. And you're going to need another nail polish remover if you just paint your nails normally with normal nail polish, because acetone, that's too powerful. You don't want to be using that on your nails all the time. You just want to use it for special occasions like gel or clean up around your manicure. So I definitely suggest maybe picking up the Equate nail polish, Nourishing nail polish remover. It is available at Walmart for $1.99. It's cheap and it works really well, and it doesn't really dry out your nail plate. So definitely my favorite nail polish remover, and the one that I will keep on purchasing, is the Equate Nourishing nail polish remover that is blue with the black top. So here is my dynamic duo. Pure acetone for those little nail steps that I previously stated. Nourishing nail polish remover for nail polish. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like if you liked. Oh my goodness. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like if you liked it, and it helps you when you go to purchase your nail polish remover and you know what to buy now. When I first started buying nail polish remover, I didn't really know what to get, so I bought the non-acetone, and then I couldn't remove my nail polish and I got very frustrated. And then when I went to go clean off my stamping plates, I didn't know what to clean it with, so I used the non-acetone and that didn't work. So yeah, I'm saving you the frustration that I felt when I first started doing my nails and manicures and stuff, when I didn't know anything about nail polish remover. But if you got value out of this video and you now know what nail polish remover to buy and what to do with nail polish remover, please subscribe. It is now the part of the video where I tell you a GTKM about myself. It means, get to know me fact. Which is, these are fake flowers. But they look good, don't they? I don't know. I love flowers, and I love having flowers in my room, but it's really hard for me to grow flowers, so I was like, okay, I'm going to Dollar Tree. So I went to Dollar Tree, and I picked out these dollar flowers, and I think they look really good. Let me know. Do you think they look good? I think they look good. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. New setup. Do you like the table? I hope so. Have the creakiest chair on the planet, and it's in every video.